Toyota fans, buckle up. The legend is back, and it's better than ever. Meet the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series, where timeless legacy meets cutting-edge innovation. From rugged off-road dominance to luxurious comfort, this SUV is ready to redefine what adventure feels like. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any updates on the hottest car launches of 2025. Now, let's step into the future with the all-new Land Cruiser. Let's start with the design. One look and you know this is a Land Cruiser. The 250 series pays homage to its heritage, featuring a boxy silhouette, iconic Toyota grille, and those round LED headlights that scream classic Land Cruiser vibes. First introduced in 1958, the Land Cruiser has been a symbol of durability and adventure. The 2025 model is no exception, blending retro aesthetics with modern innovation to create a masterpiece for the modern explorer. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser 250 series is equipped with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver an impressive 326 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 465 pound-feet of torque. Built on Toyota's advanced TNGAF platform, this SUV offers both strength and agility, with enhanced handling for on-road comfort and off-road toughness. And yes, it can tow up to 6,000 pounds, so whether it's your boat or your camper, the Land Cruiser is up for the challenge. The Land Cruiser name is synonymous with off-road capability, and the 250 series doesn't disappoint. With features like crawl control, which acts as your off-road cruise control, and multi-terrain select, you can tackle any environment with confidence. And here's the game changer, the stabilizer disconnect mechanism, which allows you to switch between maximum stability on the road and enhanced articulation off-road, all at the push of a button. Toyota designed this SUV to go places most others simply can't. Let's step inside. The 2025 Land Cruiser is all about comfort and luxury. The interior features premium SofTex trimmed seats with heating and ventilation, while the optional premium package adds leather seating, a panoramic moonroof, and a JBL audio system with 14 speakers. At the heart of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on every adventure. And with ambient lighting, USB-C ports, and a spacious cabin, the Land Cruiser is as much about refinement as it is about ruggedness. You'll have two trims to choose from with the 2025 Land Cruiser. The 1958 trim gives you a retro feel, with basic off-road essentials and a design straight out of the Land Cruiser's golden era. The Land Cruiser Grade, on the other hand, adds modern luxury touches like a power lift gate, rectangular LED headlights, and advanced off-road tech. And if you're into customization, Toyota offers unique two-tone color options like trail dust with a grayscape roof. Safety is always a priority, and the Land Cruiser is loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite includes features like pre-collision detection, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. And here's something futuristic, the Land Cruiser comes with a digital key, letting you unlock and start the SUV right from your smartphone. Plus, with multiple USB-C ports and a powerful 2400W AC inverter, it's ready for your family's tech-heavy road trips. Why choose the 2025 Land Cruiser? Because it offers the perfect balance of heritage, capability, and luxury. Whether you're navigating city streets, exploring remote trails, or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this SUV is built to excel in every scenario. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series is more than just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. A symbol of adventure, legacy, and innovation. Are you ready to make it yours? Visit your local Toyota showroom in 2025 to see it up close. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below, what excites you the most about this all-new Land Cruiser?